everyone, my name is Victoria Pavlov. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show you how you can convert the photo into art without spending a lot of time on it. And we will start with this beautiful parrot. By default right now I have only one layer, background layer, this layer locked. I don't have to unlock this layer. But what I would like to do, I would like to duplicate this layer just to show you before and after later on. So now I have highlighted my top layer, my duplicated layer. What I will do, I will click on filter menu and from here I will click on neural filters. Photoshop will display neural filters workspace for us. I will enable style transfer filter and you can see that Photoshop offers a lot of different artist style for us, presets, ready to go presets. We can use any of them. And by the way, you can click download all and you will download all of them right away. If you will see this cloud icon on top of any preset, that means you didn't download this preset yet. So simply click on cloud icon and Photoshop will download this preset for you and will apply to your current layer right away. So this is not a preset I would like to use today. I will click on arrow icon on top of a style transfer workspace to undo it. I would like to use this artistic style today, art style. So I will click on this art style, on this preset, and just like that, voila, Photoshop applied this preset to my layer, to my image. If you noticed, Photoshop transfer artistic style to my image, including colors. So Photoshop transfer colors from preset to my layer, to my document. What I would like to do, I would like to preserve colors in my original photo, in my original layer. So what I will do, I will click on preserve color box. I will check this box and Photoshop will preserve my original colors. Now I would like to bring down style value. To do so, I will move style opacity slider to the left. Now style opacity value is 26 and now my parrot looks much better. We can play with strength filter slider, it's up to you. Look at this. If you would like to have more like knife painting style, you can increase strength value. I would like to bring strength value about 17. Let me zoom in my document for you. So this is with style Photoshop applied to our image. This is before and this is after. Look at this. Also, guys, depend of your image, you can increase or decrease a brightness and saturation of your image. I will increase brightness slightly, about +5, and also I will increase saturation about +4 because we are working on parrot painting, so on parrot art. So brightness will never hurt. So look at this image. Again, this is before and this is after. You can specify output to current layer, new layer mask, smart filter or new document. I will specify to current layer. Why? Because I duplicated my layer before, but it's completely not necessary. But I wanted you to keep it in mind that you can do it as well. And I will click OK. And this is our parrot. This is before and this is after. If I will zoom in, this beautiful parrot, you will see all beautiful work Photoshop and neural filter did for us. Look at this. Let's see before and after. So this is about our parent. We converted color photo into a very colorful piece of art. Now let's talk about another type of art, and we will use this beautiful dog. Yes, today it's all about beautiful dogs and beautiful parrots. And again, I have one layer, background layer, and I don't have to do anything to it. So what I will do, I will click on filter, neural filters, and just like that, like in our previous example, Photoshop opened a neural filters workspace for us. What I will do here, guys, I will click on style transfer one more time, and let's use a different style. Let's click on this style, and just like that, like in our previous example, Photoshop can apply selected art style to our image. But I would like to create something different now. What I will do, I will move saturation slider all the way to the left, and also I will bring down a detail slider value about 83 and style opacity about 63. And now, guys, we have beautiful pencil artwork, beautiful sketch. Look at this. This is before and this is after. Guys, look at this. I will click OK, and one more time. Let me zoom in my document. Look at this beautiful work. We started with a colored photo and converted our photo into this beautiful art. Look at this. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please share with me your creation on Twitter or Instagram. I always happy to see what you are creating after my tutorials or after my videos. Thank you, and I will see you later. Bye.